So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at repairing this fibre cement cladding board. I will not only show you how to repair this particular product, but it's a way that shows you how to repair a patterned surface. What you will need to carry out this task: a filler knife, 2-part car body filler, a can of WD-40, an orbital sander, 120 grit and 320 grit sandpaper, an airbrush with a compressor, and the paint of your choice. Firstly, assess the damage. We've got a section missing at the bottom and a drill hole near the middle. Mix some 2-part car body filler and remember 1 inch of hardener to roughly a golf ball of filler. Fill the worst of the damage first. What I did with the bottom part of the repair is place a clean filler knife covered with WD-40 where the joint is. This will give you a straight edge at the side of the cladding. With the knife covered with WD-40, the filler doesn't stick to the knife, so forms a perfectly straight edge. Regarding the hole, just fill the hole as you would normally. Using an orbital sander with 120 grit sandpaper, carefully sand the filler flat to a point where the top of the pattern is showing through. Firstly, using 120 grit sandpaper by hand, start to sand the pattern of the grain back down. Try not to sand right the way down to the cladding board, as leave a little surface filler to you to sand with a finer sandpaper, ready for you to spray. Now, as I've been able to obtain the proper paint from the cement board manufacturers, I will only need to spray the areas that are damaged. If you can't obtain the paint from the manufacturers, you may need to take a sample to a paint supplier to get a perfect match, or as close a match as possible. If you can't get the match that you are looking for, you may have to then look at respraying the whole section. Also, I do prefer to use this airbrush along with a compressor. Using the airbrush, you are able to spray the damage with control. By building the coats up slowly and thinly, spray the cladding until the filler has disappeared. All done, as good as new. As we say in the Black Country, that's busted. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment below and we'll do our best to reply. And please click on subscribe as I do plan to put more videos on in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.